Alrighty, hey everyone, how's it going today? It's been quite some time since I've uploaded a video onto YouTube, but I figured a lot of people are kind of confronted with the problem here, and I tend to do videos where I feel like, man, there's just tons of people having issues here. Let me just quick video for anyone who might just be struggling to understand what to do here. So, if you are new to Fitbit development, or if you have developed for quite some time but you haven't used the simulator in a while, you'll notice when you open the simulator, you updated it, that you're running into a problem. And that is that the simulator says that device bridge is disconnected. If you haven't seen that, or if you are one of those folks that are trying to run a build and install and it's just failing, or it doesn't notice a device connected because even though your simulator app is open, check your settings and see if your device bridge is connected. If that's the case, then this video is for you, and this is a video on how to solve the problem. Alrighty, so to give some context of what's happening here, if we hop on over to the Fitbit developer community forums, you're going to see a post by John Fitbit. I don't think he's no longer at Fitbit anyways today, but he pinned this quite a while ago, about 4 or 5 months ago. Like 6 months ago, and it's going to be labeled a simulator SSL problem. If you look through the replies, and by the way, if you are a Windows machine, I'm sorry, this tutorial is made for a Mac device. There's tons of replies here, and even a tool that someone has built to automate and solve that problem for a Windows device. So this is for folks who are in the other side, or the other camp of the house, or the other side of the house. Now, back to the problem. So what's happening is that the SSL cert, so the cert that is used probably for the API for the simulator, has been updated, and for some reason the simulator itself has a different cert, so there's like a mismatch, and it's causing issues where it just cannot establish a connection securely. So what we need to do is we need to get the new cert that has been signed by Google instead of DigiCert, which is their previous cert, authority that signed their cert. We need to update that, and after that, it's just simple and everything should work. Alright, so how do we do that? Well, fortunately, it's very simple, and I'm going to try to showcase it in the most simplest way so anyone with the least amount of experience can do this. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we need to look for a post by, let's see if I can find it here, Obak Sang. Okay, so he's posted a location to download this cert file, and this is a Google domain, so it's okay. You don't have to worry about anything there. So we can go ahead and click that here, and you can see that I have it downloaded right here on my browser. Now that we have it downloaded, what we need to do is we need to open up the terminal. I just think this is the easiest way to get there. I'm not gonna do any commands here except for one command or two commands, and then we'll do everything through the GUI. So no worries if you have some anxiety around that. But all we need to do here is we need to find the next post here, which is by Bruno Silvano, and we're gonna find that location path of where, or the folder that we need to update this new file. So let's go ahead and type cd/application. We can tab it, Fitbit OS Simulator tab, contents, resources, static, device sim, Mac, Vulkan app, contents, resources, and then I'm going to type the command open dot. So that's going to open the the directory that contains the file that we need to update. And you can see here in the directions is we just need to update the CA cert pen file. All we need to do is just go ahead and let's just save a backup for this. So cac.backup, and bring over this GTSR P1 file that we just downloaded. I just drag and drop it right here, and let's name that cacert.pem, and we should be good to go. So once we disconnect from here, we'll go ahead and download the simulator here. And once that simulator loads, it's just going to take a second or so. We should be good. So let's just wait. All right, great. Now, if we look here, we restarted our simulator. We look at our settings. We should see that the device bridge is waiting for a debugger. That means it's connected and we should be good to go now. So if you guys have any additional questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you are a Windows user, sorry I cannot help you there. Just look at the forums. But for everyone else, more than happy to help. And I hope you guys enjoy your day and continue developing and keep on building. All right, cheers.